Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question June 18, 41 variant question number 4. Topic is a transformation. So we have all parts below, but I wrote left and right so you can focus on the question easily. So first part is what is a onto B, A onto B. And I said a lot of time before onto the thing is called object and after onto is called image. So A onto B, this is A and this is B. So let's see what is going on from A to B. So object is here, A, and image is B here. So if you check it carefully, the diagram is exactly same height, same base, same hypotenuse, everything same. So it is shifting from here and it's shifting up. This is called translation. So there are 2 mark question, okay? So 1 mark translation by column vector, and second answer you will give here. Second answer you will give here. So second answer will come here. What is a column vector? So let's start. Column vector is what here? You can see here from A onto B. So count the boxes. So not a hard job. Let's say counting from here till here. Okay. So let's start counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 this side, 8. And 1, 2. So 2 upwards. And I taught before, because if you have this cross, you can see that whenever you go right side, X positive, left side X negative, upward Y positive, and below Y negative. You can see that I move 8 left side and 2 upwards. So X negative and Y positive. So answer is coming -8 and 2. So this is a column, this is called column vector. So alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, this idea is very, very clear. So A onto B is done, and this question come for 2 marks in exam. Because 1 mark for the name and 1 mark for the column vector. Now A onto C. So A is shifting on C. What is going on? It is very clear. A is bigger and C is smaller. So it's clear it is enlargement. Some students think enlargement is always bigger. No. Look, C to A, it become bigger. But A to C is come smaller. So enlargement not only bigger, enlargement can be smaller even. So let's start. So A onto C, because how I know, look at here. Before onto is called object, and after onto is called image. So in this sense, A is object and C is an image. So I think you can realize from here, very clear, you can realize from here that it is a number 1 mark for you can write. So you can write for here 1 mark, it is enlargement. Number 2, it is a center. We find center. Where is center? Let's see, we can find center. Join the corresponding points. So when you join the corresponding point, so what is the corresponding point? Let's say this L and this L dash. Let's M and this point is M dash. For example, this corresponding point is here and this corresponding point is here. So let's start the corresponding joining. So I hope so. Inshallah, you will understand well. So look, I join L with M. Let's start M. Let's start M with M dash. So inshallah, I hope so. You understanding? And look, exactly. Look, I drew 2. So this M with the M dash, it meet going here, and L with the L dash, it's meeting here. So center is coming here. So right here, enlargement, and center of enlargement is coming. X is -4, Y is 0. All of you know here, X0, Y0. I move 1 box left side, Y -2, -3, -4, but Y remains 0. And now scale factor, shortcut writing S dot F. And all of you know formula, image size by the object size. So how to find that scale factor? First of all, you can count any corresponding size. Let's say count the base. So first of all, you know, image size. Image is C and object is A. You ask how you know, sir? Because I said before onto is called object. So Image size is C. So what is the base of the image ground? This length is called one box. One box. Okay. And what is this base? Two boxes. You can count, please. 1, 2. So it becomes 2. So no, sir, I don't want to count. I want to count the height. So half, 1, again half. Half plus half, 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 boxes in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I write 4, again I get half. You see? So no effect comes on the answer. So it comes same. I hope so you got the idea. And now, so I will write plus. So why plus, sir? Why plus here? Reason I said a lot of times, if your center comes on one side, like here, you have an object. Here you have an image. If you join corresponding points, if center comes here, always positive. But sometimes object and image come in the middle. I show you. For example, if you have a this kind of triangle, look at here. Look, this kind of triangle, C, C dash, A dash. So in this kind of joint center come in the middle. Then SF always negative. I taught in detail. But luckily here we have positive because center is not in the middle of figure and object image. It is on the one side. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this point is very clear. So this point is done. Now I'm going for the, so this plus you write or you don't write, no issue at all. Now A onto D. So what is A onto D? What is A? This from here till here. Okay. It is a very clear. So you can see it is this shape is not exactly the same. Not at all. It is a confirmed rotation. How come this point coming rotate here, this rotating here, and this rotating here? Okay, so it is a rotation. So overall, I'm writing the word rotation. 1 mark for writing the name only rotation. If you write only one and leave it, you get out of 3 marks, you get 1. Now center of rotation, you have to write as it is, and you have to write the what is the clock or anti-clock. I think very clear sense because I'm going before onto is object and after onto is image. So A is shifting on D. Look at my arrow. All of you know this is called clockwise. And all of you know, if it reverse, this is called anti-clockwise. Okay. So I'm saying clearly clockwise. Okay. And I have right now how much angle. There are 2 angles in our syllabus, 90 and 180. Okay. All the way 270 also there, but very less in use. 90 is best because shortest angle. So center, I will write center. Then I will write resting. So let's see how to find center and everything. Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So first of all, find center. Where is center? I think I discussed with you. Okay, I just check first of all. For example, where you think center most probably. I hope so. This is center. What's how you know, sir? Look, if I count from center O, so 4 and 1. According to rule, if rotating this, so it should come here. But this point is not here. This is not here. So it means this rotating is wrong. So it means this is a wrong. Center is not origin, my children. So if you check it from here, 3 boxes and 2 boxes. Look, 3 and 2. So 3 and 2, 3 and 2, and 3 and 2. So it is working. And look at here, I got a same point here. So I think it works. Okay, and center is coming. And if you want to see, look at here, look at here. So what is angle between this line to this line? Confirm 90 degree. So it means very clear. You can say that A onto D is a 90 degree. So it is center is what here? This is center. So this is center is, I show again, center is X is 1, Y is -1. Repeat Abdulleen and all other students, 1 and -1. So let's see. Center is 1 and -1. And 90 degree clockwise, 90 degree, I think mention is very clear. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this okay. Let's start the B part. He said enlarge triangle A. Which triangle A? This triangle A, okay, with center a scale factor 2 times and center 7, 3. Where is 7, 3? So let's try to find 7, 3. So X is 7 and Y is 3 somewhere here. So let's see now how we can do enlargement. First of all, I erase this line because these points are disturbing to me. So I'm erasing these points, okay? Because this is not compulsory to show examiner. If you write directly this all data without doing any lines, so no issue at all. Let's start. Enlarge triangle, triangle A. So because he said triangle A, so my concentration is here. and center 7, 3, X is 7 here, Y is 3. It means this point is common. Okay. So this is my center. I will mark. Okay. This marking is even not compulsory for only our assistants. Okay. Now I will label L, M, and N. So let's see how to find how much N away from the center. So you know it is a 2 box downward and 1 box leftward. I repeat. So look, I'm doing on the top 2 downwards and 1 leftwards. Okay. So this 2 times. So 2 times multiply here, you got a 4. 2 times multiply here, you got a 2. So I got 2. So I will rotate now. I will go again. You know, a key point I said you last time. Count from center. Every time count from center. Count from center. And count. If you counting from for the object, count from center. If you counting for image, count from center. Now this arrow say go 4 downwards, and this arrow say go 2 left side. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So Mabruk, if this point comes here. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I am erasing this all. So for your knowledge, this becomes N dash. Even look at here. This is okay. I show blue coloring. This is a 2 box slant. So into 2. So look at here. This is the same line comes, but double time. 1 time and 2 time. Why 2? Because given here 2. It means our working is exactly correct. Let's move on. Next point. Now I apply on L. So let me erase the top values. Okay, I'm erasing these all values. Yes, please. For count from N center for L. So 2 box upward, I have to move, and 3 box leftward, I have to move to reach on L. Okay. So now 2 and 3. Look, I show down. I hope so. Inshallah, you will understand. This number multiplied by 2, so I get 4. This number multiply into 2, so I get 6. So it means 4 and 6. So this arrow says go 4 upward. This arrow says 6 go leftward. So upward and leftward. Let's start. So I'm erasing this one and let's start. So I will 4 and 6. Get ready, please. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my answer. You will say, no, sir, how it possible? So let's see. Even I can show you. This is L dash came. Can I show you? Look at here. This is a 3 box slant and again 3 box slant. It means from here it is 2 time away. So this is a 2 time because he mentioned here 2 time. So our answer is perfectly. Some student they are doing another way. I can tell you another way. This is a way number 2. Rather than counting boxes, I can teach you another way. Look now, other way, see please. What is another way? For example, my question from you, I use again blue color. So how much this from center to M, how much away? So center to M, this with 3 box slant. Can you see? 3 box, 1, 2, 3 box slant. Move 3, please, 3 box further. Here, this is the second point. How come? 1, 2, 3 box, 1, 2, 3 box. So you can see that if I show you, so I get the point here. You say, no, sir, I don't believe it is correct or wrong. So I can show, inshallah. Don't worry. Let me show you this in red color. So it is coming here. Okay, this is M dash. So let me join all. Inshallah, I believe you will understand, inshallah. And this is my answer. But let's say you say, no, sir, I don't believe it's correct or wrong. So I can check even. How come? I use green color pen and I can show you the line match. See, if I match this with N dash, it will come in the same line. Let's start. Let's start. See, it is coming in same line. Okay. And let's see M and M dash. Look, this is coming same line. Exactly. And check L with L dash. Okay, I check from here. I check from here. Look at here. So we are getting all, look at it, N and N dash joining and meeting at this center, and M and descending and meeting in same center. So it means our diagram is correct. And look at here. There's a 3 box here, and again 3 box, same line. So this is a 2 box, and now 2 box, same. It means we have 2 ways to do it. 3 boxes slant, again 3 boxes, because 2 times he mentioned. So I think we can do not only counting boxes, we can do another way even, and which you understood well. These lines are not compulsory. These green lines was not compulsory. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, you have done it. And let's go for the last part of the question. Translate, he is asking us, translate triangle A. Triangle A where? Here, triangle A. So column vector 2, 3. Do you know X is positive and Y is also positive? And you know, I just discussed with you, come here on left side, look it, I said you right side X positive, upward Y positive. It means I will go to right side and I will go to left side, so upward, sorry, 2 and 2. So let's start. And I'm going to show you now. So this means the triangle will go 2 and 3. So what is you think from here? You think 2 rightwards and 3 upwards. This is a motion. So let's start. Full diagram will move, and I'm raising a center of enlargement. Let's start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So count for this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, count for this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So look, if you no need to count for all, no need to count for all. You can count from 1 and make rest diagram there. You see, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, how easy I am getting. So what is going on from here till here? Wait a minute, please. I show you what is going on from here till here. This is called translation. As what happened from here till here, it is called translation. Okay, it moved -8 and 2 up. You can see from here, but it moves 2 right side and 3 upward. How I got it? Look and see here, 2 and 3. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, my whole question is completely over.